What's up, y'all? It's your boy Navari Carter, multi-award winning graphic designer and brand strategist. And today I want to drop a quick video on you on how to actually make your site more intuitive. Your website, that is, of course, for your mobile phone. So stay tuned for this quick tip. The back end of our client's site, we're going to go to pages. We're going to go down here to home. And we're going to scroll right down to the contact section, but we want to do for the mobile version in particular, not the desktop version. So we're going to switch over to a mobile view, and we're going to go up here to this number right here for the call. All right, guys. And so from here, we already see the code right here for the number. Now, right now, it's not linked. So if you would go in the mobile site version of it and you would click on a number, it wouldn't do anything. So right then and there, it takes that much more steps for you to copy the number, then paste it in your dial, and then call them. No, you can do it in one easy step, and that's simply by dropping this code in. And if you want this code below, not a problem. I'll drop it in the description for you. You can feel free to DM me. It's very quick, simple, and easy. No matter what site you have, to create a quick link for it, right? So we're gonna drop that code in right there. And we're gonna simply save this. And there you have it. It's that simple. And there you have it. So I hope it was helpful. If you'd like me to do this for your site as well, feel free to DM me. If you got any questions or comments, drop them below. Don't forget to like this video and follow me as well for more content. Until next time, stay intuitive. I'm out.